Today, we will build a custom feature to help improve the user experience of our bubble apps. Hi, my name is Guilherme and welcome to the Technical channel. Today, we're going to build together a custom Colorpicker user bubble. So, let's go to the screen. So, here in our bubble app, we need to go first in the data tab. Now we need to create a new tab. We name color. We now create a new field, also name color. The field type is going to be text. Create. Now we need to choose the item we want to add this color feature. In my case, I will choose this product now. Okay, now here, create a new field, name color, and the field type will also be color. Create. Now we need to go to app data because we will add manually these colors. So hit new entry, copy and paste, and I will do the same process for the other ones. Okay, now we need to go back to design. Here I will click in dashboard. Now I need to find the pop-up that I use to create a new product. Okay, right here. Now I need to create a color picker, right? So first I will add a group. Here, it's okay. Just because I will transform this group into a drop down. Change the design. I will add the text. Change the text to color. Now I will add an icon. Okay, now let's add a new group. And inside this group, I'm going to add a repeating group. And it's here that we will add our colors. Color, data source. Do a search for type color. Okay. We can just change here to 2 rows and 2 columns, and maybe full list. Okay. Now we need to add maybe a shape. Yes, let's add a shape here, just to show which color we are choosing. So the color will be the name data. The name data will be current sales color. Okay. Let's just round a little bit this. A little bit more. Okay. Now I will add a new group just for to use like a checkbox. Okay. Let's change the style again. In the background, but we need the border, solid one. Make this rounded. Make it all black. Now we can change the size to 20 by 20. Uh, Actually, it's too rounded. Okay, now it's okay. You don't need to worry about the design. You can do your own design. Okay, that's just for showing. We need to add an action now. So once the user clicks here, we need to set a state. Click here to add an action, element action, set state. Here in element, click in dashboard. That is the page that we are. A custom state, we will create a custom state. We'll name it color ticket. The state type will be color and hit create. The value will be this current sales color. Now it's ready. Let's just change the conditional here. When dashboard color picket is current sales color, we will change the background to green. Color, background color, choose any green that you like. Now we need to make this group not visible on page load, because we will open it when we click in this color drop down group. Okay, click here, start a workflow, add an action, element action, to go. Okay, we didn't name it that group. Let's go back here. Group color pick. Okay. Back to the workflow. Color pick. Okay. Now we just need to add this and just is invisible. Okay, now we just need to add to our add product workflow. Okay, here in create a new product, we need to add all fields. Okay, in color, we need to choose dashboard, Colorpicker, and is basically ready. Okay, let's just go back here to design. Can go now to preview. Here in product, you can add a product. When we click here in our color drop down, it shows all the colors we manually added. Okay, so let's say we have Adidas shoes. Just don't need to worry about anything like that. Just click here to choose this color and add product. Okay, now as you can see, nothing happens. When we click here, we don't see anything changed, but we can go back here to the editor and choose the pop-up show product. Now we can change title's color to or a name of the data. So here we will choose parent group's product colors. Okay. Now let's back to the view, hit refresh, go back to products. Here let's try first those ones that we didn't change. Okay. Now we have those Adidas with the colors that we have chose before. That's it guys, it's ready. As you can see, it's very helpful to improve our user experience and you're ready to try. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and follow me on social media. All the links are in the description below. Okay, so see you in the next video.